Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix Minecraft runtime environment. Easy and quick. If you want to fix this problem, all you have to do just click on your Minecraft installer, click next, and then click remove, and now remove it. And now before installing it again, just go here and then go to background apps, and then make sure to disable the first option here, and then go to Windows, go to Windows, update settings here, and once you're here, just make sure to install all the updates that you can find here, and then let's move to the next step. Restart your PC, and after restarting your PC, come back here, and now just install it again. And that's it. Now your problem must be fixed. Don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and see you in the next video.